EventPlus offers a universe of services for exhibitors through an integrated web platform, but you'll need an account to access them. So, how do you set up a new account? After heading to your customized website, you'll notice a button on the top right of the screen that asks you to either log in or register. Just choose the Register option. There's a simple form here with just the minimum number of fields needed to get you going. First, let's look at the Personal Info tab, where you enter a valid email address. We're going to use this to verify your account and get in touch with you, so make sure it's one you check regularly. Click Continue and fill in the required fields before hitting Submit. Now it's time to talk about your company. We've made it easy to choose from a directory of listed companies, so you don't have to start from scratch. Just put in the name of your company, click Search, and our database will automatically bring up all the details for you. If your company isn't yet listed with us, simply click the Add a New Company option. A form will pop up asking for your company details. Fill out all the relevant fields. And then click the Create Your Account button to receive a confirmation email. A final step, we just need to make sure the email address you've entered is valid and accessible. So head over to your inbox to open the email you've received from customer service at emailwtc.com. If you don't see the email in your inbox, please check your other email folders, including spam or junk. Click the verification link in the email. That's it. You've now set up an account that gives you access to a world of EventPlus services directly from your computer or smartphone.